Hello guys! So welcome back to my channel. Another educational vlog ang gagawin natin for today, which is all about the basic features of quizzes. So aside from the basic features of quizzes, ituturo ko rin sa inyo kung paano mamonitor ang progress ng ating students. So before we start our tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's start the video tutorial. Enjoy watching! Gusto mo yan?
Hello teachers! So for today's video, I will teach you what is the basic features and how to create quiz using this application or website na Quizizz. Okay, so now go to your browser and type quizizz.com and then create an account. Kung meron po kayong existing na account, just simply click login. Pero kapag wala pa, so just click this button na get started. And then as you can see, meron tayo dito sa ating upper right corner na join a game. So para saan itong button na to? So this button is para sa inyong mga estudyante. Kasi mamaya kapag nakagawa na tayo ng quiz, meron tayong code doon na i-disseminate natin sa mga bata para kapag tinype nila dito yung code na yon, doon sila madadirect sa ginawa natin na quiz. Okay. Wait for it to load. And this will be your interface once you enter the website. You will have here a tab, home tab, and your activity tab. Okay. This part, so nandito yung inyong profile and then the settings. Of course, meron tayong button to create a quiz. But before that, scroll natin. So, as you can see, meron na tayong recent activity dito. No, kasi ginagamit na natin siya a while ago. So, as you scroll down, makikita nyo na may iba't iba na dito na ready-made quizzes. No, na pwede nyong ma-access. Like mathematics, English and language arts, social studies, world languages, science, computer science and skills, career and technical education, and many more. So, to create a quiz, so just simply click this tab. Quizizz will ask you what will be the name to this quiz. Probability. And then, next, choose relevant subjects. So, ano bang subject yung ituturo nyo? So, let's have mathematics. And then after that, click next. Quizizz will have the quiz editor na kung saan meron tayong iba't ibang option na pwede natin gamitin sa ating quiz. So, meron tayong multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, poll, and open-ended. So, ang maganda dito, you can use it in your quiz. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-click nyo lang and then you will supply all the information. Okay. And then, sa side na to, makikita nyo na add quiz image. Sa quizzes kasi, you can add an image quiz na kung saan yun yung unang makikita ng bata. Okay. Add a title image. Or, you can paste image link. So, drag and drop or click here to upload. So, click. So, let's say I have here this. So, for the quiz image, you can use any images or bitmojis, no? O pwede rin na kung ano yung related subject nyo. Select language, of course, English. And then you will ask what grade. So, I am teaching grade 10, so you will search for 10 to 10. And then, who can see this quiz? So, syempre, it is visible to everyone. Then save. Let's make a quiz that is in multiple choice. So, click multiple choice. And this will be your interface. So, in this part, kung anong itatype nyo, mag-appear agad siya dito sa ating animated na cellphone. Okay, and then if you have already ready-made questions from Microsoft Office or Word Office, pwede mo siyang i-copy-paste. Just paste, and then it will appear here in the animated phone. Which of the following is a possible arrangement of objects? And then you will type the different options. It's either permutation, combination, differentiation, integration. Okay. After typing all the options, so syempre, so i-click nyo to kung ano ba yung tamang sagot. So let's say, yan. Aside from this, you can use or you can add math equation or image or audio or any kind of media. Okay, after typing all the options and clicking the correct answer, meron tayong option dito. So this is for the time allotted to solve this question. So we just click this button and then mamimili kayo. It's your choice. Gusto nyo ba 5 seconds, 10, 20, 30, 50, so 45 seconds, and then click save. And then repeat the process.
So that's how we end our video for today. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So see you on my next video. Bye!